Come in. Finkily, what's wrong? Why are you frowning your face? Why are you angry?
It's still on you. It's still on you.
Me, how? What have I done?
Why you never come pay my bride price? Why you never come see my parents now?
Finkily, I would love to see your parents, but I'm waiting for something.
You waiting me that way they wait for when you don't fit appreciate this beauty right there in front of you.
Finkily, no doubt you're very beautiful and every man would want to be with you. But I'm waiting for the right time. I'm waiting for the gods.
It's not the truth they talk. Me, I know what they wait for. I know what they wait for. Shebi nada your Igbo girlfriend, now waiting make you never come. Is it the gods that will tell you who you will marry?
Yes, the gods must direct me on who to marry. Are you not aware of that?
No, the queen don't tell me anything. I mean, this is like now, me and you, we don't become husband and wife. Oh.
Well, I'd love to be married to you, but I have to hear from the gods first. Yes.
So, when you go hear from the gods?
I have no idea. They speak to me at their own convenience. Exactly.
Mama! Mama! Hey! Ogede! Hey! Ewolo! Hey! Jimo! Hey! Mama! Hey! Jimo! What happened? Mama, you're looking at him, they beat him up again. Every time they're beating your husband up. I don't understand this village. Is he the only person? Is he the first person to want anybody in this village? Why would they be messing him up like this? Just because they think he doesn't have a son. But I am here, but still they will not respect any biology. Stop lamenting, they're going to get me wrong. Telling me to stop lamenting. Why do you want to take care of him every time they beat him? Why? Why can't you go out and fight? Is he supposed to be beating like this? Every time, look at your husband. Is he supposed to be like this? Go and get me a wrapper or something. Go. Hey, Chimo. Go and get me a wrapper. Hey, Nai. Hey, Chimo. Nai. Hey, it's okay. Daluchi, hurry up. Hey, oh my God. Nai. Hey. What is all this? Hey, Chimo. Hey, Chimo. Hey, Daluchi. Hey, Nai. You will be fine. Oh, it's all right. Hey, you will be okay. It's all right. It's okay. Hey, Daluchi, hurry up. The all night. Hey. Ndo.
Please take it easy. The pain is much.
Hey. Ndo online. Oh, sorry. I pray to God that He will provide us the money to settle all our debts. Ndo.
Mbacho, I still can't believe that Mbacho will combine with the villagers and the elders to take this kind of decision against me.
Oh, Papa, please, just stop it with this Mbacho thing. What's wrong with you, eh? You know Mbacho is not a good man, and I hate him with passion, so just stop calling his name.
To me, I already know that man is never a good man. So I'm not surprised he acted this way. I'm not.
Oh, easy. Oh, easy.
It's okay now. Oh, don't know why you. Oh, wait, don't worry, you'll be fine. Let me use this hot water on it.
Take it easy. It's too hot.
It's okay. Mama, let me help you with this thing.
The pain is much.
Let me help you. Nyam.
Hey, the online.
Every time, mbachu.
Just hold on.
Papa, sorry.
It's alright.
Just easy.
Be easy. Please, easy. Take it
Sorry,
easy.
Papa. Sorry.
It's hot.
Mama, just continue like this. Let me go get the tetanus injection.
Okay.
Doctor, please, I'm begging you. Can you help me with my 2 months salary advance? I need to sort out some bills.
Wait, is it your father's death you told me about?
Yes, doctor. Yes.
But if I remember correctly, I just gave you 3 months advance salary last week. Now if I accede to your request, that will be 5 months in total, right?
I know, doctor. But please, I'm not complaining. I really need it.
The block woman should.
Yes, doctor.
The thing is, I can't promise you anything right now until I speak with the matron, alright? If she gives me approval, I will pay your salary. Alright?
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Is that what you think, man?
Yes.
It's fine, you can do it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Are you deaf? Or you're too stupid to carry out simple instruction? How many times have I warned you to wash my clothes when you see them on the bed?
I'm sorry, Ma. I didn't know they are dirty clothes.
You didn't know because you're a fool, a bastard, a vagabond, a very stupid lemon.
What is wrong with you?
What is the matter with you? Do you have to do this? Really? Do you have to do this? Why did I do what? Are you not supposed to ask your stupid maid what she did? Ask her why she did not wash my clothes.
Sylvia, what did she do that will warrant you better with dirty water?
No, how am I supposed to do it? I'm supposed to pet a low life like this? A peasant, a bastard. Do you know who my father is? Do you know who I am? I don't bow down to peasants.
Sylvia, your attitude in this palace is becoming unbearable. I am warning you. Do not push me.
With all due respect, my queen, shh.
Do not push me, I said! Do not! If you dare, you will not like my actions. I am warning you for the last time. Your attitude is becoming unbearable.
You're still there. Are you still there?
Sorry, ma.
This one that you are wearing a long face, is everything alright?
It's not that lady that you call Silva that goes around insulting everyone that she sees in this palace.
Wait, so you are angry over this little girl called Guinea? Madam, calm down. Now, why are you doing like this now? You're acting as if you don't know her. You shouldn't be. You know she have a very bad attitude.
Yes, you're right. Very, very bad. Very, very bad attitude. Even the Bible said, touch not the anointing and do the prophet no harm. Allow her to do you the prophet harm. I, the Lord your God, will fight your battle. Hang it. Ma, please. I don't want your problem. It's like you like stress, so. You like stress.
My love, I need some money urgently for business.
I'm trying to understand you.
Only last week, I gave you millions of naira. What did you do with the money?
Come on, I used it for business.
Okay, you do business, yet you ask me for more money?
What are you saying? Do I have to ask you for money before you give it to me?
The money I gave to you last week, did you ask for it?
In India, what are you talking about? You also gave Sylvia money. I'm not the only one you gave that money to.
Alright, fine. You need to explain what your mission is in my life.
Excuse me?
Yes, because your constant demand for money is getting out of hand.
You must be joking. Are you by any chance calling me a gold digger? Engineer, I am your fiancé and I don't need to ask you for money before you give it to me.
I never said that. Come on, listen. You're asking for too much money. And my mom is getting worried already.
Engineer, I am your fiancé. And your mother should not interfere in our relationship. Please, I need that money. And you must give it to me.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Come my faith, lead me through. Come my faith, yo. Come my faith, lead me through.
Anyway, you are not giving her that money.
Oh, Mom, how did you know we talked about money?
I overheard both of you discussing about it.
Mom, I have to give her the money.
Why?
If I don't give her the money, she's going to think I don't love her anymore.
If you think you need a woman to love and cherish, Ifenkele is the one. I have told you, Barbara will never make a good wife. Get that into your head.
I'm so angry. Why would he say that to me? I thought he loves me. He must give me that money. I know the queen is the reason why he refused my proposal initially. Nobody can take my place. Nobody can take my prince away from me and my right, not even the queen.
Who is in love with the king? Who is in love? Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Come my faith, lead me through. Come my faith, yo. Come my faith, lead me through. Come my faith, yo.
Hi. Why are you here? You asked me to come to your room. I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, I wanted to see your pretty face.
The one you turned down at her request?
When was the last time you checked your phone?
A few minutes ago.
Alright, check again.
Sorry?
Check your phone. Careful, okay.
Hey. Thank you, baby. I love you.
I love you too. I hope that's enough. It's more than enough, actually.
Well, for now.
For now?
Yes.
That's actually more than enough.
No?
Yes.
No. Anyway.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I love you too. So you have more than enough to buy whatever you want and do business as well? Yeah.
Okay.
Come here.
Mwah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hang in there. If I were you, none of the ladies will live with me.
Including Ifenkili?
No. For me, Ifenkili is just perfect. And I would suggest you should go and pay her bride price and make her your wife. And then chase away Barbara and, what's her name, Sylvia, out of this palace. Seriously.
I've told you time and time again that Ifenkili is not the woman for me.
I mean, she's a village girl. Come on, Engineer. What difference does it make? She's living in the same palace with you. Just make her the best and get married to her. She will make the best wife for you. Believe me.
What difference does it make? A huge difference.
Really?
Yes.
Then tell me.
We can't coexist together. She is way below my standards. She is a village girl. In fact, I don't know where my mother brought her from. She cannot be my wife, yet my mother, the queen, just brought her into the palace. I'm tired.
See, Engineer, I will be of the opinion you give it a trial. Come on, Engineer. Would you prefer to marry, what is her name, Barbara or Sylvia, and live in total disaster and mess all the rest of your life? Seriously? And especially that one called Sylvia. Believe me, bro, these people will place you in hell. I'm not kidding. Chase them away and you have peace of mind. Come on.
The reason I haven't married Barbara is I want her to get pregnant for me first.
Then what if she end up not conceiving before the 6 months? What then will happen? What will be your fate? Think about it, bro. Seriously. My opinion, though.
The prince of our kingdom. Deacon. Oh, Dokubo. Hey. Wakota. Great him. How do I look?
Are you going out dressed like this?
Now. I won't go see my papa and mama. So I won't make you carry me go that Eke roundabout. From there I go enter bus, they go.
Ifenkili, your outfit is not nice, okay? So you have to go and change it. I mean, how on earth are you putting on this type of bag in front? As in, I don't get it.
Ha! This bag? Nah, don't worry about this bag. It's coming from somewhere. As for this, this one, now in the rain. I'm not going to change her. You will not understand. In fact, now my best clothes be this.
I'm sorry to hear it's your best, but
don't be sorry.
I need you to change it. The maids can help you get something better, please.
Engineer, just let her, okay? If she prefers being on this outfit, then let her put it on.
How can you say that?
No. I'm just suggesting.
You want her to go out dressed like this?
Since it is her best outfit, what are you gonna do?
I'm sorry, you have to change.
Prince of my kingdom, don't worry, I understand. You never jump this one. You never jump big boys and girls when they wear this kind of thing. If you jump them, you go believe. I don't blame you at all. But no worry. Now me wear them. I like them. It suits me, fits me. I am blessed with it. Let's go. Look at her. I dey wait for you for cow.
Happiness in the palace, flow with her. This is her life, and then life and killing. Look again, where's Sabi? Yellow papa, happiness in the palace, happiness in the palace, happiness in the.
Well, if you love her, if you truly love her, you can change her. She's good. I mean, she's just being funny. And besides, I'm entertained with all these dramas and displays.
Happiness in the palace, flow with her. This is her life, and then life and killing. Look again, where's Sabi?
Hey! Ifeki, Mama, are you insane? Are you stupid?
Are they complete okay?
Are you sure?
Are they alright?
Are you worthless?
Very, very alright.
Are you sure you are okay?
Very, very alright.
What kind of stupid, worthless, shameless dressing is this?
Mama, you don't know this dressing what I wear. You don't village, I don't blame you, you don't understand. You know they see all these city girls. Now the way I dress, now so they dress.
Hey!
Okay, you never see my bag. Wait, make I bring it.
Wait! Bring your bag for what? With this kind of dressing? This hair tie? And this stupid dressing?
Mama, you no go understand.
Hey! Ifenkin,
I don't upgrade.
Apogeza?
Mama?
So this is how you want to lose the prince? You want those city girls at the palace to win the heart of the prince so that the prince will marry them, they will become queen, and the Baluziaka.
Mama, no they confuse me, no they confuse me. That one no go fit happen for life. Now only me be the girl where they exist for that palace. I don't wait till they talk.
Oh.
Wait, who told you that?
Just imagine.
It's not a competition. The prince will lose interest in if you continue to behave like Mbeke.
If you don't know that it is competition, know it now. It is competition. You have to struggle.
Papa, I be Ajipota, no be Mbeke. I be Ajipota.
For your mind.
This scarf now, if I tell you how much I buy them, you go fear.
You don't even
this
know
my shoe, you go fear. Why do you talk like this? This will not be competition now. Mama, make una they confuse me, Now I don't know whether I be village girl, I be city girl. Don't be village girl, I be before I enter town, enter palace, come push up, come level up. Mama, I beg, make una leave me. Now village girl I be, make una leave me like that.
If you don't know that it's competition, know it now. Enoria, it is survival of the fittest. So look at your dressing.
Mama, na me be the fittest, na me survive. Na me don't survive for that palace.
Come, the prince will lose interest if you continue to behave like this.
Papa, no talk again. Just tell me wetin make you call me. Tell me wetin make you call me for this village. I don't tire.
I called you so that we will know the mind of the prince, whether he is giving you any attention or you are just there behaving like a Kemma.
Mind of the prince? I don't understand. Papa, you be wizard. How you go take no wetin the prince mind? Oh no, how me now if he take no wetin the prince mind? Papa, I beg, make una leave that man alone. Make una leave my husband alone. Una want to go, leave him. Anytime when they ready, he go come give una money, marry me, carry me go. I beg.
With this kind of dressing?
Yes.
This your local hairstyle. And this what I don't know, Azo DJ. And this
anything when you call him
Obi Awofu. See, let me tell you, it is your attitude, your dressing, your English, that is what will push the prince away or bring him nearer to you. So if you like,
Mama, how could you not confuse me for this house now? Which one I be? City, I be village girl. Not be village girl I be before I come out go palace. Make una leave me, I beg. Anyone where I won't be, I go be am. Make una know they confuse me. I don't they confuse now. I don't even know what I be again. Whether city girl, I be a village girl. I beg, make una leave me.
You have confused yourself because you don't know whether you are village girl or town girl. But I'm telling you that your dressing is not even a village girl. It's a local Mbeke girl.
Papa, you don't see and say peace no day for this visit. Obagari they make I go their house.
There is no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked.
So me now don't be wicked.
With your dressing.
So my outfit now are wicked. I there for center.
You are a clown. You are a village clown. That is the way you are dressing. Amaka,
make they go palace.
Where?
Make una leave me now, make they go now. Papa, they drink tea and bread every morning for palace. Make I go there, they drink it now.
You dey drink tea and bread, hot tea. Here, na kai with this. Look at one much more to wear dressing.
Now this dressing now make me more fine, Mama. you saw I take come up for this house.
Come.
Hey, Jesus Christ. But wait a minute, girls. Where did he frankly go with that attire?
That lady is something else. I can't stop laughing at her dressing. But seriously,
I prefer her to Sylvia and Barbara. At least she has no problem.
But that girl, she's too local.
Because just Zoike, which local? She's just a simple girl who thinks life is nothing to drag about. So, Bob Nadina local.
Well, if truly the prince loves her, the prince can be able to change her now. Who am I? I'm just a maid.
Change you? Does he frankly look like someone that can be changed? Not even the prince can change her. Because potaba.
But wait, though. Talking about changes, have you changed?
Yes, sir.
Have you changed?
You should respect yourself.
Respect
your boyfriend. Oh, Papa, go party. You people are insulting me. I like Ropamia because everybody should drink water and mind your business.
That water is what I'm about to drink. Follow me now. Also,
insulting me.
I'm coming.
What's funny? It's not funny.
Are you serious?
No, but you needed to see her. She looked horrible. She looked so unkept. I don't. Oh Jesus Christ! I feel stupid right now.
You will not kill me in this palace.
So tell me, do you still want me to go ahead with the marriage?
Of course. Ifenkele is the perfect woman for you. She will give you rest of mind and not struggle.
I beg your pardon?
Trust me.
Mom, you certainly do not know what you're saying. She is not. Oh, how do you want me to do that? I can't do that. It's very clear for everyone to see. She is not in my class. She is uncivilized. How am I supposed to move around with someone like that? I've made up my mind and I can't change my mind.
Well, I will not force you to marry her. Marry your choice. But one thing you should know is Ifenkele.
Mom, you don't know what you're saying.
I'm telling you the simple truth.
No. That's totally impossible. Did you see how she looks? Who dresses like that?
Your wife to be.
How?
Is your wife to be.
Happiness in the palace, flow with her. This is her life, and them life and kill it. Look again, where Sabi. Yellow papa, happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace. Allow her. This is her life.
What are they doing here?
And what stupid question is that from this kind of brother? Wait, are you not afraid? Don't you even know us? Can't you recognize? I wonder.
Oh, please shut up! Chief bridesmaid in that shit.
How dare you talk like that?
Oh, shut up when I'm talking!
My friend, shut up!
Shut up! You shut up!
What?
I'm sure you all are here to beg money from your friends. But I assure you, you will not enter this house.
Says who?
Says me.
How dare you challenge me when I'm talking?
You know who I am.
Oh, what?
Do you know who my father is?
Go on! Let me please know what's happening here. What's wrong with you? Are you mad?
Oh no.
Huh?
This girl like me.
Yes.
Is she one of those girls that Prince wants to marry?
Is it the person of what? Does she look like a wife material?
At all!
She is a palace artifact.
Oh, shut up! Say that to your daughter, your mother, your late mother, your grandfather, you are a
Hey!
You're a fool. Yala! The flesh!
Yeah?
You never has Ndala. God! Leave this place! God! Take these fools out of here, Ndala.
This is complete madness.
Hey,
Even look at her dress. Does she look like a responsible
Okay, let me hear you.
Yala! Allah. Hey! You mess up now, people go cook. You mess up now, people go cook like that. On Namu Bobera one bagum, Bego Mozo one Namole. I had a team one aqua.
What to let water on us?
You poured water on the elders.
The castle of elders of this land. Oh no! Hey! Oh no!
Yala!
Oh no!
Just the beginning.
What's that noise outside?
Oh, the noise?
Yeah.
Some of the villagers were in a fight, so I separated them.
You separated the fight?
Yes. Come on, that's not a big deal. It's something I can do for my community.
Oh, that's good.
Wow, you worry too much. So because you heard noise, that's why you came down to find out what's going on.
Well, my father always told me to be vigilant and stay ready.
Actually, I have something to show you.
Really?
Yeah.
And what's that?
Come to my room and find out.
Okay. After you.
This world is not a bed of roses, so be careful. Because when the going becomes smooth and good, you will have many around you. They will claim to love you. They will claim to cherish you. They can even fight for your love.
Just imagine. Now, what an insult. But let me tell you, if this girl is the lady that Prince wants to marry, hi, I will forbid him from paying her bride price.
Yes. But you know the prince has not announced her as the wife to be. And from the look of things, the prince will not marry a girl with such an attitude.
God forbid.
Yes.
Let me tell you, see, if this girl, if this lady is the person that Prince wants to marry, I will not even support the marriage.
Yes.
It will never take place.
It will not take place.
No.
And you, I'm suspecting that that girl is the daughter of that politician.
Oh, no,
that is a friend to the late king. Yes.
You're supporting bro. Whatever she died, I don't care.
Just imagine pouring water on us.
Just imagine. What an insult. With the red cap of a chief.
Yes.
Like me.
You can imagine that.
Since he has refused to pay more support that he has only for the past year, yes. Bring him out.
Bring him out.
No, stop it, stop it. Please.
Bring him out.
Have mercy on him. Can't you see that he's not feeling well? Please.
Who is not
Once
feeling
he
well?
gets the money, we will pay you.
What is my business with which is not feeling well?
For how long?
For how long?
For how long? See, we have given your husband enough time to pay us our money. But he keep giving us excuses.
Please, Nine, please, my fathers. Look at his condition, but I promise, once we get this money, we're paying everything he owes. Mama,
and I'm telling you all that. Listen to me. This is what he kept telling us for the past 5 years.
Yes.
We keep hearing, I will pay you the money. I will pay.
No, this is
I will
different.
pay. I will pay.
Look at his condition, Because we have tampered justice with mercy. We can't pay like this unless he gets well.
Woman, listen to me. The youths and the elders of this community have decided that this your husband here will be tortured.
Yes.
No, move him.
No, because wait.
Move him. He must be tortured.
Every time.
He must be tortured.
The next thing I will
Go
sell
and-
this
go
house.
and look for
I will
our
sell
money.
this house.
We're going to pay.
Go and look for the money.
Help me, please.
Woman!
He's not feeling well.
I will break your...
Please, have mercy.
No, sir. You refuse to pay. Yes. Take him away.
Hey, please, have
Nonsense.
mercy on us.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
They're taking my husband away.
Mama, it's okay.
Your Majesty, yesterday, I and some of your cabinet chiefs were here for one of your guests massively insulted us.
That's it.
She gave us the insult. She humbled us so much that I don't even have the mouth to start explaining it. So look, as far as they are concerned.
Oh no, which of my girls?
I wouldn't say I know her at all. But from the way she was ranting and boasting, priding with her father, maybe the politician's daughter. Yes.
Why would she do a thing like that?
Ha! I would have killed that girl with my bare hands, if not for the throne.
Oh no.
My prince.
I apologize. I'll make sure it never happens again. I'll talk to her.
My prince, even as much as I accept that apology, I would have suggested you outrightly send her away from the palace. Yes, she has no manners. She is not qualified to be a queen. Neither is she even qualified to be a humble woman of a good name. If you see the way you will see extreme radicalism in her. Ha! I am for anything yesterday. So drive her away. Let her go back to her, whoever she cooperates.
Oh no. I totally understand your pain. And I strongly apologize. However, as much as I'm still not married to her, I can't send her out of the palace because my late father would be very upset with me. It's a promise he made to his friend, her father.
Well, I wouldn't advise you to go against your father's wish, but she must tread with caution.
Oh no, I'll make sure it never happens again.
Understand. Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
I need you to speak the truth. Did you as much as assault the cabinet of chiefs sent by the Ono yesterday?
Hold on, my prince. Those elders complained about me.
You haven't answered my question, woman.
My prince, honestly speaking, those elders are evil. They don't want to see any woman around you at all.
Those men are not like that.
That means you don't know them very well. They are not whom you think they are.
What did they do to you?
Frankly speaking, I didn't want to complain, but since you asked, those elders blocked me yesterday and insisted I tell them my plan in the palace. I just reacted a little bit, that's all.
But it made it look like it's your fault.
Me? Oh, come on, my prince, you know me. I am not a troublesome person. I am too soft for that. Believe me when I say those people looked for my trouble.
Yeah.
Mazacho, you know I brought this meat and this palm wine for we to enjoy ourselves. You know, Igbo proverb says, Nketa egwuregwu nketa bụ onye dara ibe a na-eme ọdụ
Roberto, sorry. How did you know that this bushmeat and palm wine is what my spirit needs right now? My body, soul, and spirit.
Are you the ones asking this type of question?
Why not?
My spirit is too powerful.
Yeah?
My spirit directed me to bring it.
Yeah.
And I brought it. See, listen, let me. I'm supposed to be a prophet.
Prophet?
Never mind, because I'm a Pawan Taba. I'm supposed to be a prophet.
If you are a prophet, why don't you open a church? You make a lot of money. You go to a church.
So I'm telling
you.
I see. God called me for this, but my battery was low, and I'm expecting the call again. Forget about. I'm just doing this one tapa. I'm just doing as a part-time job. I'm waiting for my call.
That call to come.
Yes, now.
This time there will be no network failure.
Yes, now.
Wait. If you are truly a prophet, tell me about the prince and my daughter.
Hey, once you are saying it, it has entered me. Your daughter is just wasting time there. God did not join them. You see your daughter and the prince. She better come back. Let her pack her load and come back here.
Wait, excuse me. This is a joke. Please stop it. I can say my daughter is wasting time in the palace.
Joke, okay. Joke, okay. I'm serious. Let her pack her load and come back. Oh no, Eba now about Django, wasting her time. Let her come back and look for her destiny.
Sorry, babe. I hope it's not because of this bushmeat and this palm wine you want to disorganize my orientation.
But you have eaten it, unless you will vomit it.
Oh, wait.
Yes, now.
Did you charm this meat?
This your word came late. You have finished the meat. And you are not telling because of this.
Anyway, listen, you want me to throw this? I will not throw it away. Let me tell you what you are saying.
Just clap. See, you are here with your in-law.
Don't try that. Don't try that rubbish with me.
Acho.
So,
you will, every time I will bring drink for you, you will drink, hey, this one meat. Hey. As a man, you have supposed to think deeply to know why I'm bringing all these things. Quack on a phone. All the something I know.
No, wait, this man. Sorry, babe. What are you driving at? Wait, this power, the power you are bringing for me. Does this represent my price or a good money or the youth?
And you open your eyes wide.
Because the sweetness of this thing.
Joker, I don't understand it. I thought you loved me. How can you be this wicked? You love me, really?
Of course I love you.
You love me. You're supposed to have me at heart. Joker, you're supposed to. I even know how my father is faring. You're supposed to help save him.
Daluchi, of course I love you. I love you with all my heart.
You love me with all your heart. Joker, you do love me with all your heart. Joker, you're supposed to care about me. You're supposed to help me sort my father's debts. What's wrong?
Daluchi, where on earth do you expect me to get such huge amounts of money to help your father? You know I don't have money. If I do, I would have helped.
Really, Joker? You and I know that you have money, oh. You and I know that you have money, but you're sitting there pretending to me that you don't have money. But you were the one who went shopping and bought clothes worth 500,000 naira, Joker. But you're here saying you don't have money.
Daluchi, I don't believe you. Where on earth do you expect me to get such huge amounts of money to buy those clothes? Of course you know me now, my brother bought those clothes for me. There's no money in this house. Will I have such amounts of money and I will spend it in clothes? I'm not even eating.
Joke. Anytime you're caught lying, you have something. You always have something to cover yourself up with. Now it's not you. No problem. I'm the one that came asking. I won't ask you again. I will not. I won't.
Joke, because then help her out with any small amount, I beg.
What sort of a thing is this now? We are talking about my woman here, we are talking about my girl here. I don't have any money. If I do, I will help. Where will I get money? Or do you want me to go and steal for you? To help save your father, is that what you want? No. I want to know. If it is what you want, I will go and get a gun. What is the meaning of this?
It's okay. You don't have money, right?
I don't have money.
I'm the one that came to you. It's my fault. But that's fine. Shizzy, let's go.
You're just leaving me like that? No hug, no kiss?
Hello, Mapa. This one that Luchi passed me by without greeting me. It's like her father's death has entered her. Woman who are a change and move for on a moment, Bugari home, on a blue her left, on a blue her right. Zeribe, Wadanya. Before I start owing people, because you want here warrior near first. Because talking to them, it turned me to a debitor. Let me go, can get home tomorrow. Let me face the one I know better.
Dalushi, please do not lose hope. You can still get this money without Joke. Don't lose hope.
What is the matter? Enne, you've been moody since you came back. Kedi for one.
Mama, Papa is sick. And he's owing so much. I don't understand what we're supposed to do. Too many people have asked for help. They are not helping. Even Joke is not even helping issues.
Is that why you are sad? My darling, stop crying, okay? Stop it. Just have faith and believe in God. Because whoever that believes in Him does not shed tears.
I should believe in God.
Yes, my dear.
Who do I believe in then? Who have I been believing in? It's God. Why would He just let this thing happen to us? Why can't He just do a miracle? You know, let a miracle come our way so that help will come somehow. I don't understand it. I believe in God and I love Him.
Please just stop it, okay? Look, God can make the impossible possible.
Yes.
God will send someone that will wipe away all your tears. Okay?
My darling, listen to your friend. I believe in no time everything will be fine. Oh? It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Oh?
Something you must watch you. Yellow papa, happiness in a hobby. If you never see her, if you see him, you must laugh. If you there angry, if you see him, you must laugh.
So sorry, please, I'm sorry. Yay! Sorry, please, don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, please.
Shut up!
Don't kill me.
Shut up!
I'll give you any amount you want, please.
You must be stupid! Shut up! I After all the atrocities you've committed in this community, you think you will go away with it?
No, please don't kill me. If you kill me, no king ascends the throne. Please don't kill me.
Shut up!
Please don't kill me.
Where's this idiot? Let's get out of here.
Kill me. No king ascends the throne. Please don't be any...
Our land. Because of our land, help me. Help me. Hey, what's happening? The priest is in danger. Because of our land, help me. Who is this lady? Who is behind this?
Mother, I totally understand your fears. But trust me, nothing is going to happen.
Nina, you have to listen to me. I don't know this lady that I saw. She marks her face.
So in your dream, did I not move around with my guards?
You were all alone with those that kidnapped and shot you to death. Nina, pay attention to me. You know my dream. My dream always comes true.
Mother, I heard you. I promise to be careful. And I strongly believe the gods will always protect me.
How are you?
You scared me.
Wetin go dey make prince of my kingdom dey fear like this when he frankly dey here? Wetin dey make you fear?
Alright, I'll ask you a question.
Go on.
May the gods forbid. But what if something happens to me? What are you going to do?
Hey! You don't know what I'm going to do. You don't know me. I am your Lord and personal Savior. Nothing will happen to you. See, if any woman or man or boy, girl won't beat you, before the hand go reach you, I go from here send them back. Nothing can happen to I be lion. I be lion.
Wait. If I understood you correctly, do you mean lion? A lion that eats people like humans?
Prince of my kingdom. Not that lion. I mean, nobody fit touch you where me if I dey. Because they play. What's with that thing you drink?
No, it's wine. It's nice. You can have some. Yeah.
You hot. You too. Pepper dey inside.
What? What's it?
In case something wey come out from it enter my nose, I no go fit drink this one.
Okay, that's fine. It's alcohol. Alright? This is red wine with some percentage of alcohol. But it's okay, you don't have to take it.
No, I don't like it. I prefer palm wine. I don't like it.
My prince, my prince.
So what's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What are you?
What's up? What's up?
Oh wait. Oh wait. Okay. Just get up. Get up. Get up.
What's up? What's up?
Sit here. Sit down here. Yeah. No. Legs down. Thank you. All right. You have to sit like a civilized person. No. Sit properly. Get up.
Like this?
Yeah. Sit down properly. Yeah. Rest your back. No, not on me.
Okay.
On the couch. Yeah. Good.
Like this?
Yeah. Right. Okay, you're...
We fit.
Okay. So what do you want?
We fit. I want this Yoruba. I don't want to come out again. My prince, I want move with you today.
What?
I won't follow you come out today. I won't date with you today.
You want to follow me out?
What?
Well, that would have been nice, but I'm sorry I have to go alone.
Why? Why you won't go alone?
I won't follow you. Make I be your bodyguard today. I won't be your Lord and personal savior today.
Okay, I said that would have been really nice, but it's important I go alone.
My prince, you know, they make sense. So, make we go alone. Make me and you go alone. Me and you alone. Make we run things today.
Ifenkile, you don't understand me. I said it's important I go alone. That means you have to stay back and I'll go by myself.
Something you must watch you. Yellow papa, happiness in a hobby. If you never see, if you see him, you must laugh. If you they angry, if you see him, you must laugh. Yellow papa, and then life and killing. Look again, where's a me? Yellow papa, happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace. Flow with her. This is her life. And then life and killing. Look again, where's a me?
Hello. Yes, this is Queen Mother on the line. What? My son had an accident? No! My king. What happened, my king? I said the prince had an accident. He was rushed to the hospital. Go and give me the car key. Fast. Oh my God, what's going on? What's going on?
My queen, you don't have to worry, you will be fine.
Doctor,
My queen,
tell me the truth.
Is my son going to be alright? Will he survive this illness?
yes, he will survive. But there's a problem.
A problem?
Yes, my queen. He has a broken spinal cord.
Because of our land. Hey.
And wouldn't be able to walk for a long time.
Doctor?
Yes, my queen.
You mean my son can't walk again?
Yes, my queen. Just for this time, let's observe his situation And I feel with the right therapy and exercise, he'll walk again.
Are you sure?
Everything is going to be fine. He will walk again, but it's going to take a long time. Don't worry, my queen, everything is going to be okay. He's going to walk again. I promise you that. I'm sorry, my queen.
Okay, just calm down. You'll be fine, okay?
Everything's going to be okay.
Naya, you have to calm down, please. The doctor said you will walk again. That it will take just few months. You'll start walking again.
And what about the throne? I was supposed to get married so I can become king. What happens to the throne?
The elders will understand. I am sure they will extend the date of your coronation.
I'm sure they can't wait.
I dreamt of this. I never knew it's going to be an accident. I thought what I saw in my dream was a kidnap case. Talking about getting married. Ifenkili is here for you. I think it's time for you to just make her your wife.
My queen, so you mean Priscilla cannot walk again with his 2 legs?
The doctor said he will walk again, but it's going to take some time.
Okay, why don't you fly him abroad? I mean, to hasten his recovery. Maybe it will be of the best option we have now.
You can't fly him abroad in this state. He needs to be stable a bit before you can do that.
It's okay, my queen, but I'm just considering the throne, you know. Priscilla has just 3 months for him to assume the throne, and he cannot do that on a wheelchair. And to worsen the case, no wife. He's just as good as a vegetable. So I'm just being concerned, that's all.
Joke, you are right. I think he needs some time. And I'm sure the elders will grant him that.
My queen, hey, gods of our land. Well, we heard what happened and decided to check on the prince.
Yes, it's true. But the doctor said he'll be fine. That he will recover very soon.
I hope he'll be able to walk again.
Why not? The doctor did not say that he's crippled or in any crucial condition. So why ask this question?
But my queen, can we see him?
No, you can't see him now because he's resting. I would not want anybody to disturb him.
It's okay, my queen. We've heard all you said. Please do take good care of him. We shall be checking on him from time to time.
Thank you so much.
It's not about checking on him. You remember quite all right that we have just 3 months to crown him king. And he is here to get a wife for himself before this incident happened.
My friend, no one prays for this kind of predicament. And when it happens like this, what you have to show is sympathy. Somebody has, excuse me, this kind of predicament, does anyone pray for it? When it happens like this, you take it in good faith. The young man is scratched somewhere. You can see the pains in the face of the queen. And you are talking about asking questions from both sides of your mouth. Whether recover again or not. I'm not part of this. My queen, please do take care of our prince. He will recover. He shall be crowned king. That's all.
We shall take our leave.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bring the place for us.
As you can see, the prince cannot walk for now. He has been bedwetting since he returned from the hospital. This is the time I need your maximum cooperation. Any of you who gets pregnant for him becomes his wife.
My queen, are you saying the prince cannot walk? I don't understand what you're saying.
Did she say that the prince cannot walk? Eh? Kijigo brain
You are very stupid. Shut up. Look at this nonsense. Shut up. Look at this stupid. Shut up. Will you shut up? Shut up. I can see you are mad. You are very stupid. Stupid girl.
Barbara,
I don't blame you.
This is not the reason we are here.
Bogam, Nico, my queen, let's get to the point because I don't have time to listen to these two cooked and uncooked fowls. Listen, one of us have to get pregnant, or I, or these two dummies have to get pregnant before the prince pays her bride price.
This is time to show that you love my son. The prince cannot do anything for now.
My queen, since the prince cannot make love to any woman at this point, how do we get pregnant?
Don't worry, I have it sorted.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith, you.
Good day, my prince.
Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith,
Hi. Come sit here. Come to the bed.
I'm okay here. I can just stand the smell of that urine, please.
I beg your pardon?
You heard me.
You can't stand the smell of my urine?
My prince, I just came to check up on you, please. How are you doing?
Sarah comes into this room. She sits on this bed. She takes good care of me. She has never complained about the smell of my urine. Wow. Okay. To answer your question, I pray I get better. So the ones who love me can stand by me.
My prince, why would you say that?
Because I know the ones who love me and the ones who don't.
My prince, why did you say that?
Because you changed. Totally.
Me?
Yes.
Come on, my prince. If I have changed, I won't be here.
Never mind.
Anyway, that's by the way. I'm happy you're good, okay?
Father, everything you heard about the prince is true. he cannot walk again. Yes, the brain keeps saying he's going to be on his feet soon, which we are not even sure. The worst part is that he now bedwets. He cannot even get up from the sick bed. It's alright, Father, I've heard you. Yes, let's watch for an improvement and then I will know my next move.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my friend, lead me through. Got my friend to you. Got my friend, lead me through. Got my friend to you. No one to trust in this life, nobody to trust you. You better shine your eyes. You better shine your eyes. Use your brain.
God forbid.
Use your sense.
So now so I fall like that for bed now. They pee for my body. They poo-poo for my body. Hey! God of Ife and Kidi. Now so you take they save me. So if say I come out with Prince that day, I for even die. I for no make a move.
This world is not a bed of roses, so be careful. Because when you go,
Hey, my prince, my husband, my odogu. God, I beg, help and make it begin to work again. Cause me, I don't go feel very person when do they work.
who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my friend, lead me through. Got my friend to you. Got my friend, lead me through.
So, the prince is now crippled and cannot walk again, eh?
Ha! Papa, why they put my words into my mouth? I not talk say the prince no go walk again, no. I said the prince get accident. And doctor tell us say the prince go walk, but na matter of time. Now wetin I talk? Quote me like that.
Wait. You said matter of time. Do you know how long that time will take before he could be able to stand on his feet again?
Mama, I no be doctor. Why they ask me that kind of question now? No, wait, so how na two take no say prince get accident safe?
Look at you. The one was half ears. And let me tell you something. Nothing happens in that palace that does not come to my ears. I must hear it.
If you must know the truth, we know that you, our daughter, will not pass the information to us. You will not tell us about it. That was the reason we invited you over to confirm it. Now, you have told us that it's true.
I don't fuck up. If I know say na this thing make una two come here, I no go come back home. Una just make me I leave food where I suppose chop today. Come here, now this thing na they ask me whether prince they okay or not. Where una suppose una hear and see una no pray make prince dey alright. Una won't confirm true, una won't gossip with una daughter.
Are you calling us gossip?
You are calling now, Mebo.
Na family gossip be this one.
So the food that you eat in the palace, don't we eat here?
No be the same kind food.
You see your
See. Well, you called them, Mebo. Now you say I should pray for the prince. Pray for the prince? How? All this while he has been making his meals, has he given me a couple? At least to drink palm wine and eat bush meat? Look at you. I should pray for. No, we are going to organize all night vigil. The whole community will gather, and then in my house here, we will pray for Prince. Nonsense.
Seriously, I feel for the prince. This incident will delay his coronation.
I just pray the throne is not taken away from him because the head has just been the king.
They need to understand his condition and give him some time.
I'm not sure they're going to listen to the queen if they're ready to crown a new king.
I'm still wondering if all these girls can still conceive for him.
Maybe because they have not paid their bad price. See, those girls are not fools. They know what they're doing.
There are girls who will still get pregnant for the prince, even when he has not paid their bride price. If they like, they should be cracking too much jokes.
My queen, how is our prince doing?
Oh no, he's fine.
Good. Please, can I see him?
If only I can trust you.
If only you can trust me. Your late husband, our late king, was a very good man that had the interest of his people at heart all the time before he died. Why on earth should I hurt his son? Or, destroy his kingdom, his throne?
Oh no. The prince is dead.
Huh? Are you serious? Then what will we do now? Must we remain with our king? 3 months ahead, I will crown him the king.
He can't get up from the bed, not when he wants to eat.
Hey! Too bad. My queen. It's a good news. Just 3 months away from the time of his coronation. And we're having this situation. Or do we remain with that king?
Oh no.
My queen.
I want to believe.
What could that be, my queen?
I want you to keep it a secret.
Are you talking to a kid?
Please, do not disclose it to any of the elders.
You don't need to say that. Am I such a kid? Eh? It's worth keeping secret, and I promise to make it secret. At the same time, I pray that our prince will be on his feet soon. Hey! This cannot happen. Can't remain a kingdom without king.
What will be my fate if my son do not recover at last? None of these ladies has got pregnant for him, and I'm not ready to accept my idea anymore because the prince is bedwetting. Gods of our land, come to my aid and heal my son. Let his rights not be taken away from him. Sorry, you will be fine.
Where is this chronic debtor?
My elders.
Where is that chronic debtor that refused to pay his debt?
My elders.
What are you doing?
Thank God you are here.
Are you acting?
Come and see my husband. Look at his condition. Eh?
Go do what?
Hey.
My friend, stand up! My friend, get up from there.
No,
stand up!
Can can you say such a thing about my husband?
Now listen, Norma. I think he's faking the sickness.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
He should stand up and go with us. I don't know. I don't want to know whatever he's suffering from. Now he should get up. Yes. If he's sick, is he supposed to be here? Is he not supposed to be in the hospital? Huh? Why can't he be in the hospital? Why can't he just die? Let him put him in the mortuary. And put enough formalin in his nose. Yes.
My elders, how can you speak of such about my husband? Don't you see seriously sick? And he cannot get up from this.
Lies, I say lie. You are lying. He's faking the sickness.
He's not.
If he refuses to get up from there, we'll go and call the use of the land. They'll come and bundle him out from this place.
No, my father.
Who is your father? Don't you know your father? See, in case you do not know your father, this is your criminal father lying down here on the mat, faking his sickness. And if care is not taken, we will get the youth of this village to come and bundle him out of here. Yes.
No, please. No, please. No, he's not feeling well. Stop it. No. Leave him alone. What is wrong with you? I'm telling you people that I will sell the house. I'm paying you people. What is wrong? He's sick. He is. If not, he wouldn't be lying down here. He wanted to all of you. What is wrong?
Now listen to me. We are giving you people just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Else. Else.
Is 2 weeks not too much? It's too much. Too much now.
Mbacho, let's go.
Give me a see. Have it. 2 weeks is too much. Well, let's go.
Oh God, please. God. It's okay, my father. Mama, it's not okay. It's okay. Mama, it's not okay. It's not okay. It's not. Mama, we're the first to be poor. And we're the first to owe people in this community. In this village, so many people are owing him. Why is it him? Why? Or because I don't have a brother? Am I not? No, it's not, my darling. Don't worry. Mama, it's okay. Get up. Mama, God is not listening. Stand up. Thank you, my daughter. Stand up. Everything will be fine. Mama, this is not good. It will be fine. Mama. Kunite, Adam. Mama. Nem. Wazico. Yeah. It's okay. No. Hey, Mama. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Mama, please. Mama, I'm sorry. It's okay. Mama, sorry. Thank you. Hey. God, have mercy on us.
You see, that he cannot deceive us with trade sickness. Lie, I will not agree. And that's his daughter that is shedding crocodile tears. She thinks her cry will make me change my mind. No!
See, if Ozo fail to pay that money in 2 weeks' time, I will make sure Ozo die in that cage. Yes. Imagine. I've been keeping quiet. Do you know Ozo has been owing me for 2 years now? He borrowed 500,000 naira from me to support his business, and he failed to pay. Can you imagine that?
You know what? So he thinks he's the only one that can do business. And we are fools for lending him money. You know? Don't worry. I know what to do.
Okay.
No, you told us you will visit the queen concerning the prince. And since then, we've not heard from you.
You're right.
What's happened?
You're right, my elders. I'm so sorry not to have given you update on that. I actually went to the queen. Okay. And she told me almost the same thing she told me before.
Yes.
Oh no. Hold on a minute. Are you saying we should wait until the prince recovers?
Yes, of course. What else will you do? You have to wait until he recovers.
But no, nobody knows when he will recover now. It may take up to a year or even more. We cannot keep on waiting like that.
A year? Why are you sounding like that?
Oh no.
It won't get up to such a long time.
Oh no. Iheme is right. How are we sure he's going to recover by then?
Yes.
But my elders, I am sure. The queen vividly assured me that he will recover 3 months to his coronation time. So, and I'm sure of this. Just trust me on that.
Is the queen doctor or what?
I wonder.
Whatever happens, we can't question tomorrow. All I know is the young man will recover. Let's go.
Let's pray so.
We have to coordinate him all.
I'm leaving this palace for good. I can't stand the prince bedwetting and like, no way. Please get my bag, let me leave this place.
Use your brain, use your sense, cause love is not by love, love is by action. It cannot eat your to have it again.
Are you traveling?
When do you take her?
I'm leaving the palace for good.
Why? You are leaving the palace now that the prince needs you the most.
My queen, I can't stand the urine. The smell of the prince urine. I can't do that.
Okay, man.
I thought you loved my son.
Yes, I do. But not in matters like this. Not at all. I didn't bargain for that. I might get infected. Please.
Look at you. You love the prince.
So this is the reason you turned down my request of giving him a son?
My queen, I cannot. Ifenkili is here. After all, you've always wanted the prince to marry Ifenkili. You can inject the sperm in her and she will give the prince a son. Please, I'm out of this place. Get my bag, let me leave this place. Hey!
My queen. What? Get up! Ah! I'm not the black brother left. So. There is problem. Oh. Wahala day. Big one. Hey! So now so this life be. The prince na anima million in the bed. Hey, whoa. Why the boy go? Hey!
I hope you will not leave tomorrow as well.
Leave, okay? Konye knows him. Queen of my kingdom, I go nowhere. Forget that I'm joking, oh. You see this one that I'm telling you now, I am serious. I go nowhere. I love the prince. I love the prince. I cannot leave. Give me what is urine? Give me memory that I cannot, use my hand and, has it all the too much. If it gets too much, I will cook in cheke. You know what is in cheke, right? I will cook it. When you say Fuma, the Mamriana. I will not leave. Leave for what? Never. I cannot leave. I go nowhere. I have come to stay.
My queen. My queen. My queen. Just take a look at this. I found it in Siva's room.
Kio Dereba. What did she say, my queen?
Oh, she has left too.
Hey! I think it was also her name.
So both of them never loved my son. They have been pretending all this while.
Chai. Mama, I know. I've always known.
Life.
King of my kingdom, don't worry. I am here to stay. I go nowhere. I am the Lord and personal savior of the prince. I am not going.
Mama, leave me. Leave me. I must marry the prince. I don't go anywhere. I don't go.
Is it by force? You have to follow us and go. You must marry the man we want you to marry, no other person.
The prince. It cannot happen, no. I am engaged. I don't engage.
Engaged to
the prince.
That man prince that is bedwetting.
Imagine,
who told you that he is in the bedwet?
Okay, move! Let's go! We can find a husband for you!
One village just come
now!
I want to make a man. What village? Mama, keep my bag! Give me my bag! Papa, leave me! Papa, I will push you! I will push you! I will push you! You will die! You push!
You must marry Wazico Tv.
Papa, this thing you're doing, I will sue you. I will sue you. I will sue you.
You know what is sue?
I can never marry that Atosi.
You know what is sue?
I can never marry that Atosi.
What's Atosi?
He will take care of you. He will take care of you. You must marry him. That is the reason we want
somebody that cannot take care of himself.
Who told you? Who told you?
I know. I know.
Wait until you test his fine wine. You will know that he can take care of
Papa, I will push you. Papa, I will push you. I will push you. I will push you.
Okay.
Papa, lift you.
Come on, let's go.
You must marry him. I will not marry you. I will not get back. Whether you are the one that vetted
Mama, I cannot. I'm not going to marry that. I'm not going to marry that.
You must marry him.
You must marry him.
Until we reach there, let us know who get back to each other.
That man wine pepper is not a human being, Mama.
He's a human being.
I'm not going to marry her.
Hey, India, you are awake. I knew it. I said it that the gods will lift you up again. How are you feeling now?
I feel a lot better, Mom.
I can see that, my son. Don't worry. The throne is yours. Nobody is going to drag it with you. And you are going to rule it with Daluchi.
If the gods permit me to be with Dalu, so be it.
So shall it be. What would you like to eat? Let me ask the maids to prepare it for you.
I want coconut water.
Coconut water? Just that? It's all right.